Welcome to this video tutorial on how to dispatch your orders in OnePatch. To dispatch your orders in OnePatch, go to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click Live Orders. Once this page loads, you will see all of your orders in the table below. To dispatch the orders, you would select them using the tick box on the left-hand side of the table. Then go to the top of the page and click Bulk Dispatch. Once you have done this, a pop-up will appear. This will take you through the necessary steps to dispatch your orders. The first step is selecting a shipping service. Select the one you prefer. Then the next step is to select the collection date. Just click on the text box and select a date from the calendar. Then select a location for where your order is to be collected from. Then input the weight of the package from the order and click Next. Then select the service you would like to dispatch with, and then click Dispatch. Then the details of the order will show. And that's it. You have now dispatched an order from OnePatch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.